Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to bring an update to a particular video I did down there because people are asking me to bring an update. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you my experience while using this product and whether it worked or not. So I just want to say welcome to my new subscribers and to my old subscribers. You guys have been amazing. You guys are so supportive, I would say. Thank you so much. To my new subscribers, listen, you guys are amazing as well. So without wasting time, let's go to this product. So this product is this Fair and White cream and the serum, which is this. So I'm gonna open this cream and go ahead and show you how. Okay, this is up to that. Remember, I bought it newly, and that is up to that, right? I've been using this cream. Basically, I don't think I'm the only one that used it because I've got people who coming here, my cousins coming here to use this cream and walk away thinking it's my normal cream. It's not my normal cream. So that's why I got to that length, but I can't be bothered. If they like it, they like it. So this cream has really been amazing, I would say, because I saw a lot of results. But it's me that I've not been 100% into it because one, I do not want to look like someone that is bleaching. Two, it's like I've not been religiously using it, you know what I mean, like 100% in there, because I do not want to look like someone that is bleaching. So I obviously use it once or twice a week. So I'm gonna show you my results so far. So, and then I will go ahead and show you how I use this, probably demonstrate how I use this. So so far this is my hand. You can see there's an improvement from how it was before, especially this. You know, this one was a bit darker. Like I said, I've not been using this thing like constantly the way I'm supposed to use it because I'm afraid. I do not want to have this patch all over my hand. Like I'm afraid of bleaching, whatever bleaching. But using it once or twice a week really went a long way. Like I've really seen something different. Remember, this particular hand was not bad because it doesn't really go in hot water at the most. You just use it to hold the plate. This particular one is the one that goes in hot water. Like I've been trying to use hand glove, but when my hand glove is not closer to me, when I feel like okay, it's few plates, go ahead and wash it. So I just go ahead and use this particular hand and then wash it. Like you can see, it's not bad from how it was before. That place was really dark, so it's a bit better now. And then I went ahead to add this serum into my normal hand cream, and it really works because each time I use it because I can't be carrying this around, so I try to add a few drops into this hand cream that I bought off Boot, and then each time I use it, I just put like a little bit of it and then rub on my hand, make sure I moisturize my hand. So while moisturizing my hand, I'm still using the cream and the serum as well, so it's really helping a lot. It's really going a long way. And then the reason why I didn't wear makeup today is just to still show you my face, because remember, it was my knuckle and my face they were the most important bits, and then that's the reason why I bought these products. So as you can see my face, to be frank with you, like I said, I've not been using this I never used this on my face because I was scared for some reason. I used that on my face, and then I have this particular my face cream, which is this L'Oreal Paris hydrating Genius aloe water. That's what I use on my face. So sometimes I go ahead and take like a few pump, about 2 pump, and I drop about 2 drop of this into it, and I put on my face. that's what I've been doing. Like, I'm very scared, to be honest, to put that straight on my face because I do not want to get into any trouble whatsoever. So this is how my face, and I always try to moisturize my face like about 3 times a day, so that my face, the drying bit of the cream I was using before really dried my face. So the drying bit really, gets soft, and then it's getting off my face. You see my face is like a bit better than it was before. So what I use on my face is mostly this. I just kind of take like little and then dab it here and walk away. So it's really doing a great job. As you can see, it's getting clearer than it was before, honestly. And then another place where I used this particular thing was on my elbow. I used it here, and you can see different. Like, it was quite dark, to be honest. Like, it was really dark. And on my knees, if I can show you my knees, like, this is my knees. I use it here as well, and it's really done a great job. Like, at least my leg, the color of my leg is matching with my knees now. It's not like dark everywhere, dark and all that. So how I use this, how I mix this is, I take like a few drop of this and a few drop, like about just hold it down till it gets like 4 or 5 drops, and then I use that about 3 or 4, rub it together, put some beads at the back of my hand, and then use it anywhere, the places I wanted. That's basically how I used it, and it really works. To be honest, you can see, like, for me to have said it's working, meaning it really worked. To be honest, like, I'm a living witness, it worked. So if you want to go for this, people recommended on the main video of this particular update that I should find a little cup and mix the two of them together. I wasn't able to do that, but I was able to mix the two of them together and use. So you can actually go ahead and mix 2 of them in the same cup and then use it. It will really go a long way. It really makes sense to me. Like, it's really working, and I really appreciate it. If I am 100% into this, honestly, I would have come back with a proper result. But because I was not 100% into it, it really worked. And thank you to everyone that has really contributed down on the main video, telling me what to use and all that. I really appreciate your support. Please don't stop. Go ahead and keep writing, because you never know. There's like, there are people there who need it, who read those comments, and when they read it, they really want to know what to do. Like, so many people are asking other people down there, like, what do you think, what's that you're recommending, how does it work, and all that. It's helping people. So go ahead, do not stop. I really appreciate you, and I just want to say thank you once again, please. And like, I'm excited, to be honest. Like, I'm really excited. I'm excited because I was not 100% into this, but it worked, because I was scared a little bit. I don't like bleaching cream, but it finally worked. So that is all for this video. I just want to bring an update, because some people ask to bring an update, and this is the update. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for coming around to watch this video, and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much once again. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's not by force, because if you subscribe like with your heart, genuinely, you'll be able to support my channel all the time using it. But do not subscribe to tell me to subscribe, because I do not do so for sub. Yeah, I don't. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share, subscribe, and comment down below what you think, and go ahead and support me, and I'll take it from there. So I'm going to bring you another product, another review after now, and I'm going to bring you other things that will be coming my way. So I just want to say thank you once again. You guys have been amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, bye.